Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today it is what's sold on eBay for the week of May 23rd through May 29th. So I've been listing a lot lately. I've been going through my toy haul. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end of this video. But yeah, I've been going through a lot of the toys, and I'm creeping up on 4,000 active listings again. So hopefully by the end of probably next week I will get to 4,000 again. But anyways, I wanted to talk a little bit about this guy. I showed this guy in a haul, I believe it was last week, and I got a comment on the video about this guy being taken down off of one of my viewers listings. Sorry, I don't remember who said that it was taken down, but anyways, she or he told me that eBay contacted her and took down her listing. So I was going to go take it down, but before I even got the chance, I got a message or I got an email from eBay removing my listing right away. So don't play around with this guy. eBay is not having this guy. It's just with the reversible. It goes blue and pink. There's a whole bunch of different colors, but if you don't have the tag, they're just saying that it is a replica or a phony. So don't take the chance. If you don't have the tag, or if it's not brand new or something, don't even list it, because they're going at them pretty hard. Anyways, enough of this guy. Let's get into what's sold. Alright. Total sales for May 23rd through 29th. I sold $2,023.45. Selling cost of $384.34. Net sales of $1,508. But that doesn't count the shipping costs that I incur from Pirate Ship when I ship through Pirate Ship. Quantity sold of only 56 items this week. So eBay, I did not sell a lot, but my average sale price went up. My average sale price per item was $36.13. So very good on my average sale price, but pretty bad on my quantity sold. What are you gonna do? You can't get both, right? All right, we'll hit the collectibles and we'll hit the plush at the end. All right, first collectible. This is a Hot Wheels set. Talked about Hot Wheels in the past. Some of them can go for really good money. These unfortunately do not. I sold a set of 3 for $16.99. But hey, for like 50-cent cars, I'll take $17 any day, right? Another Hot Wheel. Now this one did not sell for $16. This is a Hot Wheel Batmobile Live World Arena Tour. It has like a little, you can see the little, like, it says Batman Live in the corner, and Hot Wheel. And this one's super tiny. This one's about like this. So in the case, so really super tiny. Keep your eye out for this one. This one sold for $152.99. But yeah, you can see the car right there. It's a limited show edition. Oh, really sweet little car. Next one, this is a Playmobil Jousting Knight with horse and banner. I believe this one went overseas. I wrote it down. Jousting sold for $59. Cost me $10.99 to ship. So making around $48, not counting eBay fees and everything else. So nice little pickup. Playmobil is very, very popular right now. Every time I list a set, it seems to sell pretty fast. So keep your eye out for Playmobil. I'm sure even the loose Playmobil sets even sell. ScoobyDoo. This is a character stampers. There's little, they're just little ink stampers. I'm pretty sure they probably sold at like the 99-cent store for a little while. I believe I saw some of them there. This, you can see there's Shaggy right there. This guy, he's got some little dirt on his chin, and there's Scooby-Doo with the tag. And yeah, they're just tiny little stampers. They're about that size, so they sold for $19.54. Disney's souvenir buttons. It says "Happy Birthday, Mickey." That person bought 2 sets of these. I purchased a huge bag of these at a yard sale. They were $5 for the bag. I believe I purchased 2 bags, and yeah, I've been selling these for a couple years now. And every once in a while, someone will just come and buy like 2 or 3 sets of these. So, made my money back a long time ago. They're going for $16.99 a set, and like I said, a person bought 2 sets. Dungeons and Dragon Medieval Dragon. This one I got from GameStop. They were having a sale. I believe the shirts were 2 for $3. It was like buy 1 shirt and get 1 free. So some of them were $4, some of them were $3. I just looked at all the clearance shirts, and of course I just bought what they had. But yeah, this is a really nice shirt. I probably should have kept one for me. Look at that. Look at his face. It's a really cool looking shirt. And there you go. There's Dungeons and Dragons. And it sold for $21.24. Next one, this is a Halloween Ghost Black Plush Throw Blanket. Again, this is from my Kohl's. Anytime Kohl's has a huge sale where I can get these blankets for like $4 or $5, I go for it. Yeah, so this was right after Halloween. They marked them down, and then they had a sale, so it was like a double sale because the blankets were already like 60 or 70% off, and then you have the other sale that goes on top of it. But anyways, this one sold for $27.19. John Wick. This is chapters 1 and 2 mini steel book. These are actually just like digital. I believe they're, I don't know, I've never opened them, but I believe they're just like a digital code that you go on a website and then you download the films from them. Picked these up at GameStop. They were hidden in the back, and one of my managers came out and said, hey, I got these. I had to get rid of them. I didn't even know they were in the store, and I believe I paid $1 a piece for them, and I bought a bunch of them. One sold already, and it sold for $18.69. XMen Steel Mutants Wolverine versus Sabretooth. These again are super tiny. They're like about this size. Keep your eye out for these little guys, because tiny little guys like this can make some good money. There are some special characters that people want, so keep your eye out for them and look them up if you find a bunch of them. This little set sold for $21.24. Clayface. Clayface is a nice action figure find. I got this guy from my toy guy, of course. If you haven't seen any of those videos, again, I'll put one at the end. But yeah, this Clayface and Batman and a whole bunch of different all the superheroes are going for some good money right now. So keep your eye out for him, especially when there's, well, look at his face. You gotta buy him, right? You see this at a yard sale, you gotta buy him, right? He sold for $41.19. Another Marvel Legends Nightcrawler. I had a bunch of these. I believe I had about 6 of these. The first 3 sold super fast, and I am on the last 3 of these guys. They are Build-A-Figures, so this one is Galactus, so you have to have all 7 figures to build this other figure. So yeah, if you have the one really wanted figure, or the one that's really hard to get, you're gonna make some good money. Nightcrawler sold for $81. He's going overseas, and this one cost me $14.99 to ship because he was a little heavier than most figures. So but yeah, I made $81 minus $14.99. You figure it out. I'm not gonna math today. Star Wars Star Tours Jedi Mickey and Yoda action figure. This guy, what did I sell him for? I think this one was $38. No, it's $56. So I don't know why it's so expensive. Hey, thanks eBay. I like what eBay charges. A little extra shipping, I get to keep a little bit. They charge the customer $56. Cost me $10.99 to ship through pirate ship. So made a few dollars on this one. Made $45 on this one. Of course, minus the fees and stuff. But yeah, it's just looks like Yoda and Mickey going at it. I don't know, attacking each other, defending. I don't know. What's next? Disney Pixar Cars, World of Cars. This is Elvis diecast. You can see it has the Elvis hair on the like RV. Pretty funny little cars. It's Race-O-Rama. Anyways, it sold for $42.49. Pirates of the Caribbean. This one actually is going overseas too. This one sold for $65 overseas. Cost me $10.99 again to ship out. I believe this one's going to Mexico if I remember correctly. But you see, this guy's really cool. Has the claws, but he's super tiny. He's about this big. He's not a big figure either. You can see he has the sword and some dice and a whole bunch of little different things in this set. So yeah. What's next? This is a Hawk Girl from the Justice League. I actually got two of her from my toy guy. The box is really pretty super clean. This one sold for $47.59. SOG Terminus folding knife. I got a bunch of these off of I forget the name of the store, but it was an online super deal. Paid hardly nothing for the knives. I forgot what I paid for them, but they started selling. Two sold already for $52.69. I wish I could remember what I paid for them, but they're just nice little folding knives. There you go. Has an orange handle, safety right there, and said making some good money off some knives. So keep your eye out for anything online. Kiss limited edition candle that has all the faces from the Kiss band members. I can show you. There's that cat guy. I think that's, I'm not going to name him because I'm always wrong. There you go. It's just a small little candle. It's about this size. Pretty heavy though. It almost weighed 16 ounces. So, but anyways, it sold for $29.74. Princess Cashmere from The Simpsons. This is a Playmates action figures. This is another one going out of the country. This one sold for $38. Again, cost me $10.99 to ship. I believe this one's going to Mexico too. So I've got a bunch of figures and stuff going to Mexico this week, which usually only have like one or two a month. This time lately I've been getting a lot of different items that are shipping to Mexico. But yeah, these Simpsons figures have been selling pretty good for me. They are the ones where you put on the platform and they talk. So what's next? Mega Bloks Pirates. This one I might have marked too low. The only ones I saw online, they were selling like singles for like $10. So I figured the 3-pack would sell around $40. So that's what I marked it at. And as soon as I put it on, it sold right away. So I might have made a boo-boo. This might have gone for, I don't know, $80, $90. I don't know. I tried to do my homework, but sometimes you just don't. You can't find anything. So this one sold right away at $40, which I'm super happy. I mean, the package is about like this, and the figures are super tiny. So yeah. All right, Garmin Vivoactive 4S GPS watch. Got this from a buy a long time ago. Didn't even remember I still had these watches. I thought I sold them all, but had one left. This one sold for $212.49, and it's just a nice. These were brand new, just didn't have the box on them, so they were just nice watches. All right, we are finally on to the plush. The first plush, this is Animal Adventure tan white bunny rabbit with an Easter egg bow. See, he's really cute. He has a carrot on his foot. There's a carrot. He sold for $18.69. The next one, this is a Russ Angel Gabriel Bear. Gabriel sold out of the country for $45. Again, he cost me $10.99 to ship with pirate ship. This guy has like foldable wings, and it's posable because it has a wire in it, so you can move it wherever you want. I believe he had a tag somewhere, but good luck finding it. Oh, there's the tag. There's the tag right there. You can see he's about 13 inches long. And again, he sold for $45. Another Russ one sold. I just wanted to show you the difference in Russ. So if you don't know what you're doing, make sure you just look him up. This is Champagne. Had this guy in my store for good 5-6 years. So I just let him go for $11. I usually change the price and we'll fix the photos and raise the price later, but he's been in my store long enough, so I let him go for $11.04. Someone got a deal. Disney Baby Einstein Crinkle Roll. If I can say roll. This is a pillow tummy time crab and turtle. Yeah, whatever this thing is. This sold for $21.24. Nintendo Super Mario Luigi. This guy was missing his tags. His hat was a little messed up too. So it wasn't the most perfect Luigi. So I didn't list him very high. I listed him at $19.99. He sold for $16.99. Last but not least, we have a Build-A-Bear tie-dye hippopotamus, 13 inches long. He sold for $18.69. Whoops. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I will be on Star's channel on Thursday, so be sure to check in there. And I have a cat that wants to visit at the end of the video. Alright, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around, get all your listings up. Take care. Bye.